Hello from Melbourne, Victoria. Today I'm going to work on the MG Midget, and there is a leakage on the seals of the diff. There is one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side. This one is leaking and it messes the whole wheel with lubricant from the diff. So I'll just remove the wheels, replace that one, and of course I'll do the other one. Since I do the job, I'll do it once and for all, once for good. And this is where it goes, all the oil, and then because of the centrifugal force it spreads all over the wheel. So the seal is somewhere in here, I think, and then it leaks through here, it goes on that plate and just leaks down. Yeah. Okay, there's no oil in here, that's good. It's just around the whole thing. Of course I'm going to wash with brake and parts cleaner when the time comes, but let's go and remove that. Good idea to bring a pan to catch any leak. And after I remove the bearing with the help of the hydraulic press, I have access to remove the seal, which it seems to be very weak. It doesn't hold much or anything at all, and it seems to be quite hard. So probably since the beginning of times this has not been replaced, so we'll do it now. Now this can be quite hard to come out or very easy. Let's see which one's this one gonna be. Oh, it moved. Okay, that was the easy one. And here it is. Yes, very, very cracked. Let's go with a new one. Two of them. That's the code from Moss Europe. They came from the United Kingdom 2 days ago. Picked them up today. They came really quick actually. Seem to be correct on the outside and much better on the inside. Yes, these are the correct ones. I also ordered that O-ring here, which is flat and it doesn't serve to any purpose, and the gaskets for here. This is the code for the O-rings. I ordered two, one left, one right, and this is the code for the gaskets, one left, one right. There's the same gaskets, the same O-rings. A bit of grease in there where the seat of the seal is. A bit of grease on the seal itself on the outside. And let's push it inwards. The seal is 63 millimeters in diameter, and I have the 63 millimeters on the pushing plate. Very useful tool for by hand, hammer or hydraulic press. and now it's properly seated. No need for hammering, as it was really easy to sit in place. Good. Now let's go install the bearing with hydraulic press. I'm not going to show you that to bore you. And let's put everything back in place. And after installing the bearing, the O-ring, just a bit of grease to make it seal properly and sit in place properly without moving away. And after I pushed it and put it back in place, let's put the shim and the nut. Should have had a proper socket for this, which is I think 47 millimeters, but I don't, so I have to do everything by hand and a bit of knocking over here. Exactly in the previous spot, so let's bend a little and let's remove the O-ring because we're gonna screw it up. And now let's put that, the O-ring, the gasket with 3 holes in place, which is like that. All the way down. And after I wash the wheel nicely, all the oil and shit, let's put it back on. And I'll tighten this when I have the car down. And that was it. That's how you replace the seals. Obviously the other side is exactly the same procedure, no need to film it again and bore you. I bored you long enough. From Victoria, February 26. See you all. Look after yourselves and families and have a beautiful day.